autofocus in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to track the specific object. So first of all, open the camera application on your device. Tap the setting gear icon at the top left corner. Now scroll down. Here you can find the option tracking autofocus. Keep the rear camera focus on the selected subject even if they are moved. So this is very helpful feature. Make sure enable it to use this feature or track the specific object on your device, which allow the camera to continuously track and focus on a specific subject even it moves, and that will helpful to sharp and clear images and video. Let's see the example. One of my friend, first of all, enable this feature on your device. Now open the camera application on your device. Now tap the video. Here you can see the icon, tap on it. Now auto framing is on. Now whenever my friend move, it will automatically focus on my friends. Even need any specific settings on your device, you can see how it work. Very helpful feature to focus on the specific object on your device. So you can see this feature is very helpful to capture the specific object screen on your device. So you can use this feature on your Samsung S24 Ultra and any other device that support. That's it. You can also enable or disable using this button. Just tap on it to auto framing off or tap on it to auto framing on. So you can easily enable or disable it using this setting. That's it. If you like it, share it.